Good day to everybody. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Welcome back to the channel. We're talking quickly about that game, that upcoming game, Jamaica versus Grenada. Normally, I say it's a big game, because when the Reggae Boyz play, it's usually a big game. But I don't know if that game is so big, ladies and gentlemen. To be honest with you, people, I never ever know if I did want to do that video, because to be honest with you, what is there to talk about, ladies and gentlemen? We don't already know say straight whoppings today. We don't already know say straight whoppings this evening. So what is there to really talk about? I mean every time the Reggae Boyz play is a big game, but that one is not so big. I don't know. That one is not so big. Even though the 3 points are obviously very important. Me or the gaffer in the press conference, like I'm gonna try to suggest that, in the history of Jamaica versus Grenada, some of the games have been close. Gaffer, what you talk about? Gaffer, what you try? Brother, later on today in a virgin, not less than 4-0 in a brother. Not less than 4-0 in a brother. People, I think 4-0 is a very reasonable scoreline, people. Hit me up in the comment section and let me know if I'm fooling this matter. 4-0 is a very reasonable scoreline. Very reasonable, man. The last game Grenada play is a 4-0 then pick up from a team who beat Honduras. We must can give them a decent like a 4-0, man. I think that very reasonable. Me actually I take it easy upon the gaffer, ladies and gentlemen. Seeing, to be honest with you, the only way me that get the gaffer a pass later on today, if we not dump up that side here, is if man like Boza start and go on with him usual foolishness, man. That's the only way me get the gaffer a pass, Seeing, because we're supposed to create a ton load of chances in that game. Right? We're supposed to create a ton load of chances. Seeing, if man like Boza start and go on with the usual foolishness, we have to get the gaffer a pass. Seeing, because you know Boza style already. Boza a man where get all force it in a game and dash them away. I mean, to be fair, that's a very admirable trait. He's very good at poaching. He's excellent at poaching, but Boza finish when him feel like, But under normal circumstances, we should, I mean, I want to hear about no foolish about a techno team like people. A Grenada this, man. Come on, we're bigger than this, man. So, no ball around foolishness. Now tell me about no cup ties in England where big sides start them academy players and third division team beat them. Now tell me about them foolishness. Seeing, we're supposed to beat Grenada tonight. Seeing, or later on today. The game starts at 6 p.m. by the way, Jamaica time. Seeing, if you use a VPN, you can see it on YouTube. And I really know which other part to find it, because I really YouTube me watch it from use a VPN. Seeing, just some quick information on quick information on the Grenada tie, the history between the two teams. And also, you guys supposed to know by now that there are some Reggae Boyz missing. Seeing, for those of you who have not, been updated, Javian Brown is out due to injury. Mikel Antonio is also out due to, an issue as well where injury is concerned. Adrian Mariappa is out as well. Ethan Pinnock is out as well. Pinnock out for injury reasons. Although, did Pinnock make the initial squad? I don't think, no, Pinnock never in the initial squad. Foolish match. Pinnock never in the initial squad for true. Seeing Maps is out due to personal reasons. And Ronaldo Cephas is out due to what the JFF has deemed, or what the JFF has termed, flight challenges. That's an interesting way to put it. Seeing, so for those of you who did not know those are some of the players out. Pinnock did not, I just remember now, Pinnock did not make the original squad. From minute one, the gaffer said that, you know, when he picked the squad, Pinnock was not in it for issues as it pertains to an Achilles problem that he had. Seen? All right. Jamaica is ranked 56th in the world. That's our current world ranking. Grenada is ranked 173rd. 173rd. People, 4-0 seem very reasonable. Now, yes, world ranking is not the end all and be all, you know, but it does give you some idea as to deficit in qualities. In any side where they 173rd in the world ranking, we're supposed to walk up that side. See? We have played a total of 11 games versus Grenada. Jamaica has won 8 times. I cannot believe that Jamaica has drawn twice with Grenada in our history, but that has indeed happened. And I cannot believe that Jamaica has also lost once in our history to Grenada. That is very hard to believe that we have lost a game against Grenada, but that has indeed taken place. In the 11 games, we have scored 29 goals versus Grenada. We have conceded 8 goals. Interestingly enough, we have conceded in 7 of the 11 games that we have played against Grenada. So that's a very interesting statistic. More often than not, Grenada does score against us, right? In Grenada's last 5 games, their 5th to last game was a 2-2 draw versus Barbados. Their 4th to last game was a 7-1 thrashing from the feet of the United States of America. Their 3rd to last game ended in a 1-1 draw in full time. However, they lost 5-3 on penalties. This was in the Gold Cup prelims to Guyana. Their 2nd to last game was a 1-1 draw versus Suriname, and their last game was a 4-0 beating from Honduras. So in their last 5 games, they have not won. They have lost 3 and drawn 2. You know, that's basically their record in the last 5 games. So they're not coming into this game in the best of form. Even though this game is down in Grenada, I expect that this game will mostly be one-way traffic. You know, Reggae Boyz keeping most of the possession. You know, Grenada trying to defend and stay compact and, you know, last-ditch defending, you know, defending for them life. People, we have to revel in these times when we buck aside where we can really dominate like this in the people. See? So I expect a lot of that compactness and organization from Grenada, them trying to hit on the counter. You know, this should be a good game from the perspective of us working on defending counter-attacks. We should be getting a lot of those today, and, you know, we have struggled quite a bit, you know, for quite some time when it comes to defending counter-attacks. We have been conceding goals of late where that is concerned. So hopefully we can, you know, we can keep out Grenada today. You know, I really don't want to see Grenada score point today. But yeah, it should be one-way traffic for the most part in this particular game. We should be, you know, banging on the door and, you know, trying to open the door, and Grenada will be fighting to keep the door closed. That's how I see this particular game, the run of play taking place. That's how all of us see the run of play taking place. Yeah, man, Gaffer, just do the right thing, you know? Just do the right thing. Yeah, man, just do the right thing and dump up that side, you know? 4-0 not too much for ask, Gaffer. 4-0 not, that's a very reasonable scoreline to ask from the Reggae Boyz later on this evening. Come on, very reasonable. 4-0 not too much to ask. Seeing 4-0 is not too much to ask at all. Knock up the likes button, subscribe and share, ladies and gentlemen. You know, free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe and until next time.